Hey there, my name is Jocelyn Levitt. I'm sitting here with Samantha John, and we are looking forward to demonstrating Hopscotch, our app for the NYC Gap App Challenge. Hopscotch is a visual programming language designed to teach kids the basics of computer science, we made it specifically for middle school students, but it covers a lot of geometric concepts and gives kids a really intuitive understanding of a lot of geometric concepts. So we're going to go ahead and show you some of those. First, we'll open up a new project. We'll pick an object, and each object gets certain blocks of code, which are over here on the left. And what you do is you drag and you drop pieces of code into the scripting area. As you can see, just to start out, to place the object, students need to learn how to use a Cartesian coordinate system, and we have a couple of blocks of code right now involving changing the x and the y distances. And so you can see we can change those numbers, and as you move the object around this Cartesian system, the starting position of the object changes. So move the object around, yeah. So right now we'll have the object start at about 200, and y is at about 100, and we will expect it to change x by 500 and change y by 500. And there are a couple of different ways that I can activate the movement here. You can do when I press play, when I tap the object, when I tap the stage, when I shake the iPad. We'll do when I tap the stage. So when I tap the stage, change x by distance 500 and change y by distance 500. Let's run it. So let's tap the stage, and there he goes, over 500 and up 500. We could continue to run it, and you would see him continue to move in that direction. There are a couple of other projects that we could see teachers creating. For instance, one puzzle could be a way in which a teacher built something to allow students to see the missing angle of a partly drawn polygon. As you can see, we've created this little guy is going to draw 3 sides of a quadrilateral. So here we go, and we have to figure out what the angle is needed to complete this. So let's see. Let's start a new script. When I tap the stage, we want it to move a distance of 200, and then rotate a certain number of degrees. We're not sure how many. Let's try 30 and see whether or not that works. No, 30 is not the correct answer in this case. We have to figure out what the correct answer is. In this case, let's try 70. And spoiler alert, this is going to actually work out. 70 degrees is the correct answer. But as you can see, this is a really great way for kids learning how angles work and getting an intuitive grasp of it. And the great thing about this is that not only teachers can make the projects, students can make the projects, and teachers and students can email these projects and puzzles to each other and share them. There are also projects that you could build around transformational geometry. Here is a little project that we made where this little cupcake draws the word hi. So if we wanted to, we might try to predict how this would look reflected over 90 degrees or 180 degrees. And it's just a matter of dragging in this piece of code, rotate 90 degrees, and then running this again. And then, as you might expect, you can see how this would look transformed over 90 degrees and over 180. So overall, this is over 180. I mean, you get the gist of things, but we think Hopscotch is going to be very useful in allowing kids to understand these geometric concepts. We are a New York City-based startup, and up till now we've only had our own money to develop this, so we could definitely use the prize money. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot.